been forever and ever. Ooh, yeah. Forever and ever. And the laundry mat today. Alright, y'all. Back again with another video. It's your girl, Hope Hope's the 96. I need y'all to do me a favor before I get further, which is like this video, put the post notification bell on, and most importantly, subscribe to your girl, Hope's the 96. Okay. Alright. I'm in the laundromat. I'm gonna block out, you know who. So that when I got the email, that's how I'm blocking her out. She don't want to be videoed today, she said. I got my wing up. I got my wing up. I got my wing up. But girl, you blocked. You're not, you know, shown. Your Grace. How you feel today? I'm blocking you. You say you don't want to be videoed. So I got my wing up. I got my wing up. I got my wing up. Huh?
Oh, sure. Thank you. Is time on there?
Oh my gosh. We at the laundromat and they playing some bomb music. Alright. So it's been a minute since I posted. I got this pimple on my nose. I don't know if you like. I actually popped it. It was worse. Like it was like the seed came out weird looking. But I'm glad it came out because now my nose doesn't feel so much pain around this area when I don't have a pimple over here. But you know the pain elevated to here. You know what I mean? But I'm glad it came out. Even some stuff came out. Like sorry. like blood came out. You know, this my pimple or whatever. That happens, but it's part of life. Okay. So I'm rocking this is my older sister's bag or whatever. It's cute. Look. It's cute or whatever. Mad nice. This is what it looks like on the back. Ew. Just want to say thank you, Della. Thank you, Della, for that. For having your bag over here so I can use it. When I get home, I am going to basically, look at my hat on. I don't want to roll around no more with just my band, my headband. So yeah, I love you, Grace. No, she doesn't. She only saying it because she know I'm videoing. She a hater, you know. Have a good day.
You too.
So Grace is a hater. All she wanna do is hate. All she wanna do is drink that hater rape. I'm gonna show you these new pants that I got recently. So let me see. I don't know if you see. Alright, so these are the pants or whatever. Let me see. Is this dirty? These are the pants. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Thank you, Lord, for holding me up on that bench. Holding me up on that bench. Holding me up on that bench. What happened? What'd you say? No talking. Who you talking to? Stop the zit. Yeah, so put this bag back on. They got this stuff here. This machine here. The gum, toys, and more gum. They don't care about your teeth now. But they got the toys for you to play. But I ain't playing no game, cause I don't play no game. I don't chew no sweet, cause I don't want no sweet. Okay. playing that game, drinking that drink like a haterade. I got water right here. Hi. I'm mad weird, but I'm sitting next to the dryers or whatever. Yeah, waiting for Faith. You know, so look, y'all hear me call her Grace, right? We call each other a different name when we're outside. Like, I call her Grace, she calls me Hazel. So, nobody really know our true government, alright? Alright. But, hold on. Yeah, so I'm back. My teeth hurt, like my jaw hurt over here. I gotta get some Orajel, put it on. When I get in the house, I'm putting on that Orajel like it's nobody's business. So I got Orajel at home. At home. Sorry, I put my finger in the view a little bit by accident. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll be back. Don't worry, don't cry. I'm coming back. Okay? I'ma be here. California. I ain't trying to get copywritten. Ayy. 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 I like this song though. Sorry about the quality, y'all. I'm trying. I ain't trying to. Okay, so today when I leave this laundromat, I'm going to my appointment for my therapy session. Okay, I got therapy today. And therapy today. Gonna see my therapist today. And we're gonna talk about my homework that he gave me to do every day until I see him next Wednesday. Already know what it is. Wednesday. Wait, what's today? Hump day. Today is hump day. Let me stop. But I have therapy to go for. You know, as you know, I have seizure problem, and I go to therapy to get it treated. And when I go, it's like I talk, I do, I speak to him about whatever I want. And whenever I want to talk to him, I speak to him about how I feel. And he doesn't judge me about it. So, yeah, he doesn't judge me about it. Whatever I speak to him about, he always helps me. He gives me a lot of great pointers, to go towards. Especially to help me control my feelings, my emotions, so he's a great therapist, and I can't wait to see him today to tell him some new things, that I need to talk to him about. And the thing is, what's cool about it is that he's able to treat me where I don't need to have, hold on. Where I don't need to have medication. So, basically, because I don't need, he's making sure I don't need it. I don't need to use it. You know what I mean? So, thank God. I'm so hyped. I don't need to fill my body up with medication that would make me lose or gain too much weight. I would love to lose weight, honey. Don't get me wrong. But guess what? I ain't trying to look like a stick, you heard? I ain't trying to look like nobody's stick, alright? Ain't nobody gonna see me walking around with a big head and a stick body. And honey, that ain't healthy for me. Because a woman knows how I eat. I love to eat food, but good food. Another thing about me, about food, I don't eat meat. Okay, people look at me like, you don't eat meat, but look at you, you thick. Okay, and, oh well, I know I'm thick, but guess what? I'm thick in the right places, and I'm just naturally thick. I can't help it, but I am good. I'm healthy. I'm here, but I guess God. Hallelujah. Thank God. You know what I mean? I woke up today like this. Healthy. healthy, living, breathing, talking, singing, dancing, eating, roof on my head, clothes on my body, shoes on my feet, and the glasses to see by, or see from, see through. Y'all heard me. Okay. Oh, I'm in the laundromat. I'm just gonna, I don't know. Let's see who's here. Nobody's here. Except for this other fella. This fella here. Faith and I. And the owner. Oh, I washed the ring out. Like, I washed it. Like, I cleaned my ring yesterday. What happened was I did this. It's a DIY. I saw it, I believe, the day before yesterday. You can get a bowl, or you can get a Ziploc bag, which is really good to use. It's a lot better. But it does the same thing with a bowl. What you do is you get a bowl, hot water, and dish soap. I use Dawn. Dawn was recommended. The blue one was recommended. Dawn, blue soap, hot water, and hold on. Hot water, Dawn, blue soap, salt. It was salt, Dawn, hot water, and baking soda. So what you do is you get whatever jewelry you have, dump it in that area, you know, the bowl or Ziploc bag, leave it in there for 15 minutes, and once you're done with the 15 minutes, you get a soft toothbrush, you know, like a baby soft toothbrush, and you just scrub that shit, you know what I mean? But don't do too hard. Do it where you can have some type of pressure, but not too much pressure, you know what I mean? So after you're done scrubbing away, okay, you will see the difference from a before and after, okay? Because, you know, inside the ring, under the ring, you know, it can be dirty sometimes because of everything you touch, you know, everywhere you are located, wherever, dirt get there somehow. And you be like, I wash my hands a lot. Well, think about it. When you're washing your hands, the dirt going past your ring is actually not really going past it. It's going inside that crevice. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so basically, I did that and I came out with this beautiful, you know, it's so beautiful, whatever, and clean. I'm at hype that it's clean and beautiful, alright? Clean and beautiful. And yeah, you just see the back of her head. Alright, but I love her. I love her. And she's the best. She's awesome. So yeah, so I love you guys. I'll be back. I'll talk to y'all later. Yeah, so I just want to tell everybody, if you're going through it, don't be afraid to ask for help. This guy came in here and he asked for help or whatnot, you know. Faith helped him a little, and the other guy helped him a little. Thank God for people like that, because you know something? If it was you, you would want someone to help you out too. Okay? It's great. It's great to help someone because you feel magnificent. You feel like gold, you know. No, I'm not sitting there. Too tiny. That thing too skinny. So, what I mean, he came in, he asked for help. You know, he's going through it. I just pray for him. You know, I don't know his name, but pray for that fella to get to where he needs to be in his life safely, and for him to be more mindful of who he is, you know, understand who he really is deep inside. Because everyone is powerful in every way, you know. Yeah, so I just want everybody to understand that life is too short to sit there and be like, oh, I ain't giving you money. I don't know what you gonna do with it. It's mine, it's mine. Oh, I work for mine. I work for mine. But listen, you don't know what people go through. What led them to that situation. You know, some people were abandoned. They grew up living on the street, and that's all they knew. Literally, like from young they were homeless. literally homeless. You know, and then there's some people who does bad things. You know, they choose bad, just make bad decisions in their life, and it gets them to where they are. But it's okay to understand that people are gonna come across a road of toughness, a road of I don't understand, and they fall, but that road that they fell on, they're gonna end up passing that road and going to a proper road, a great road, a road of blessings, a road of just getting them to be picked up again. You know what I mean? So you have to understand that it's not all about, oh, I worked for this money, oh, it's mine, get your own, all that. No, it's about giving, and it's about appreciating where you are at, because guess what? You could have been there. You know what I mean? But just give, be grateful, understand that don't just give because you know you're gonna get blessed. Give because you know that's how you are. That's your heart. And your heart, and yes, you will get blessed, but don't just do it just because you know. You know? Because guess what? God knows your heart, and God knows what you're really doing it for. You know? Be like, oh, I know I'm gonna get blessed. Because you know what? I just gave that man $5. God gonna be like, okay, you gave him $5. Basically, you just gave it away for nothing. Because guess what? You're supposed to be giving it away from the kindness of your heart, from deep within, because you want to do it. You know what I mean? It's not because you know you're gonna be blessed. You know what I mean? So just do what you gotta do. Be happy. Be you. Do you. Boo boo. Be kind. Share boo. All day, every day. Do it from the kindness of your heart. Okay. You know what I mean? So I love you guys. I'm gonna end this video. I know I was just sitting in the laundromat doing nothing, just talking to you. Boo boo. Anyway, let me stop. I'm mad weird, y'all. Don't mind. I know I'm weird. I'm too weird. But it's okay. I'm living. I'm living life. You know, and I thank God for life. But I want everyone here right now, take a time out in your life to help someone. And yeah, I love you guys. Y'all be well, be blessed, and I'm gonna tune out. So I want you guys to always be amazing. Always be amazing. Oh, sorry. Always be amazing. Love you guys.